Hi guys, I'm Wayne from Motorama Mitsubishi at Springwood, and in this tech time we're going to run through the basic principles of jump starting a battery. For this demonstration we've got our jump vehicle here and our vehicle with a flat battery. The first thing you need to do is get yourself some jumper cables. Ideally get some spike protected ones so you don't damage your computer when you make the connection, and you do get what you pay for. They're not very expensive, but make sure you do get a decent quality pair. So first of all, we make our positive connection generally onto the red cover, but not always. Some batteries do have a black cover over the positive terminal. Always look for the positive symbol on the battery. Connect up to our vehicle with the flat battery. Then we connect the negative. And the negative here marked with a minus sign. Now ideally the last connection should be made away from the battery, because if you connect it up to the negative on the battery you can ignite flammable gases coming out of the battery, but for this demonstration we're just going to hook it up to the negative. And if the battery is deeply discharged, it is a good idea to start the jump vehicle to initially start charging the battery, so we'll do that now. Ideally leave the jump vehicle running for a couple of minutes to charge up the battery. It could take a little while to charge up, and that'll take a lot less strain out of the vehicle when you try to start it. So now we'll start the vehicle with the flat battery. And that's how we jump start a flat battery. When you've got both vehicles running, always disconnect the negative first on both vehicles, and then you can disconnect the positive. And now you're ready to go on your way.